Do you know how scary it is to be crushed by a train? If you put the flying cowhide body on the railing, will the train turn over? Use the watermelon to test it first. In a closed environment, Xiaogei drives the old train to hit the watermelon. The contact is bad. The watermelon is crushed by the crushed powder. It's too scary. Xiaogei took out another phone and put it directly on the railing. The train crushed the train with the command of Thunderbolt 2. It feels like a crash. The phone between the tiles is crushed into a powder and flies everywhere. The power of the scene is broken. The phone is crushed into a scab. Almost only a piece of paper is left. Too scary. Xiaogei decides to slowly upgrade the difficulty. A hard cowhide bone. Only listening to the sound of cracking, the cowhide bone is cut by the blue waste without any power. Even a stone heart of wood was crushed into mud. Xiaogei moved a few bricks again. Even if you drive it at the slowest speed, you can easily crush the brick into powder. Even when it's harder than the brick, it won't be hard. Xiaogei took it out. He took 2 stone heart iron locks directly. The first wheel went over and felt fine. But after 2 or 3 wheels, take a look. The stone heart iron lock was accidentally crushed into a scab. Such a scary pressure. It is estimated that only the irresistible diamond can block a blow, but the result still makes people die. The train seems to be unstoppable. Angry Xiaogei went straight to the iron front, but it hasn't been reflected yet. The iron front was crushed into a scab. Xiaogei took out a big screw nail bigger than his thumb. Listen to the scary pressure. The screw cap was blown away directly and the bottom of the screw was crushed directly. Xiaogei was in a daze, but he thought of the cowhide body. It is said that if the cowhide body is strong, it will strengthen various parts. Xiaogei made a big lump on the scene, then put it on the rail. The train came at a rapid speed. Who will be more worried about the king's duel? Will the train turn over? The train was crushed at the fastest speed. In an instant, the cowhide body became solid. The cowhide body was crushed at the fastest speed. The cowhide body was crushed at the fastest speed.